Apple just got caught. A company inside their secret supply chain accidentally revealed something Apple was not ready to announce. Like, share, and subscribe before we get into this. Apple's foldable phone had so many leaks that everyone, including analysts, assumed September 2026 was confirmed. Done deal. Shipping this year. But one supplier just changed everything. Largan Precision makes camera lenses for Apple devices. Their CEO said it plainly. Some products planned for this year have been pushed to early next year. Analysts immediately connected that single line to the iPhone Fold. The delay is real. Apple might still reveal the phone in September, just not ship it. They did the exact same thing with the iPhone X in 2017, showed it off, made everyone lose their minds, then made them wait 6 more weeks to buy it. And when it does launch, analysts are predicting 11 million units in the first year alone. Not because foldables are new, because the moment Apple enters any market, that market never looks the same again. Samsung and Google have had foldables to themselves for years. The second Apple shows up, everything resets. So the real question is not whether the iPhone Fold is worth the wait. The question is, can you actually handle waiting that long?